This is how messed up I look right now, but I'm not about to go out looking like this. No. If you're tired of your French curls looking messy after a few days, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to detangle them properly and to keep the curls looking fresh every single day. This is not my first time getting French curls done. I've done it before, but I tried it in the color ginger. But then I have tried blonde this time around, and I can tell you guys that the color really affects your tangling experience. I have realized that this blonde color that I have on tangles way faster and is much more high maintenance than the ginger shade that I tried months ago. And that means for this blonde color that I have on, I have to put in more time and effort to maintain it, because I don't want to go out looking all messed up and my curls are all tangled and matted together. So when you're picking your French curls, just remember that the lighter the shade, the more maintenance you will need. So the items that we will be needing for this maintenance, first of all, are your fingers, obviously. Yeah, so you do need your fingers for detangling the hair first before you apply any product on. After that, you need a hair mousse. This is the one that I use from John Frieda. Yeah, so this is a hair mousse, and I will advise you to get a good hair mousse for your French curls because you will need it. I'm nearly out of this one, but I think the quantity I have in here will be enough for today. Also, you need a coil definer. I have this Miracle Worker product. This is a coil definer. I got it for my Burmese coils and pixie coils wigs that I have, so it does good jobs when it comes to defining your coils. So I thought, since I use this for my Burmese coils and my pixie coils, I can as well use it for my French coils. What do you think? Yeah, so this is what we are using as a coil definer. Feel free to use whatever you have, or if you want to get this product, I'll tell you, this is good. I'm going to try to take off the rubber band. Because of how this hair tangles so much, the rubber band as well gets caught up in the hair. Now, if you look at this, this is what you have to deal with. You have to separate these coils with your fingers. No, I'm not about to go out looking like this. So what I'm going to do is to finger detangle the hair. I've seen some people use combs to detangle their French curls. I feel like for detangling French curls, your fingers are really just the best. It does a good job for separating the curls. So now that I have the hair on my side, I will start from the back because we can see how these curls just like to marry each other. Okay, once I get them to my side, I start to separate the curls with my fingers. I just like try to detangle them one after the other. This is why I say you will spend some of your time and effort detangling this hair, but I'm going to do that quickly and we'll go on to the next step. So when I get to points like this where it's all matted, it cannot be saved, I just use my scissors. I'm grabbing one now. I just use my scissors and I cut it off. You cannot stress me. So go in, do the same thing. Keep detangling the hair until you get all those knots out. The next thing we are going to do is use our product. I'll be using the hair mousse which I've shown you earlier from John Frieda. Apply just a little amount on your hair. we move on to the next. Okay, you guys, my hair mousse is finished, so we're going to try and make do with what we have, but just make sure you get the product to the ones at the bottom. All right, you guys, look at that. This looks way better, but you know, with the hair mousse it feels kind of dry, and this is when we introduce our color definer. So we're going to use this color definer. It feels way smoother than the hair mousse does, and it's going to make the hair a little bit more shiny, and it's going to reduce frizz. So for this one, I'm just going to put the product in my hand. It does spray like that. I just like to put it in my hand and then apply it like you would apply your hair cream. With this miracle worker, I am always generous. I don't do stingy with this one. If it finishes, we get more, but for now, put a generous amount of the color definer and you will be all right. You see how best is gonna get your hair looking. Now with this hair and with the way I move it, do you think that the first time that I started I would have been able to move it like this? The answer is no. Now once we're done separating the coils and giving them a fresh look, I just try to twist the coils back, like just do a big twist like this. This is just to help the coils to bounce back. Okay, so that's just the trick. So just twist it like this all the way to the end. And you're going to twist the other one as well. So once we've done that, you can leave the hair. I mean, everything looks pretty good at this point. So guys, this is how you maintain your French curls, especially during the day. The routine is almost the same for bedtime. If you guys want me to show my bedtime routine, I am more than glad to film it and show you guys how I go to bed. You guys, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in another video. Love y'all. Bye. Bye.